Can we see hidden contacts number on IMO? Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and in today's video we will see if we can see hidden contact number on IMO. So without further delay, let's get started. For that, first of all, launch the IMO application in your mobile device. Once you're logged in now, from your chat page, you could select any one of your contact. Once you have selected that, navigate to the top and then there, tap on their name. After you tap on that, you will not be able to find their contact number because on IMO, contact phone number are hidden by default in order to protect user privacy. Only the account owner can see their number within their profile. So IMO does not allow you to view another user phone number unless they have made it publicly visible. And this is a built-in feature and there is no legitimate way to see other hidden contact number. So in that case, what you can do is you can ask the person directly. If you need their number, the best approach is to message them and request their number from them. Or if not, you can also check your contacts. If the person is saved on your phone's contact list, you can always find their number on IMO. Or sometimes users also share their numbers in a group chats or public profiles. So in that case, you can use common groups or chats. And hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.